The Franciscan Alliance mission statement is continuing Christ's ministry in our Franciscan tradition, and that's providing healthcare services to the populations in the areas we're privileged to serve. Primarily hospitals, clinics, physician practices, imaging centers, and just a lot of voice, data, and video activity that covers that whole spectrum.
Our network's fairly large. I think we have about 80,000 ports, 170 plus locations. Our old solution, we had a lot of outages. Things going up and down all the time, affecting all of our hospitals. Our customer base lost a lot of trust in our network. We needed to fix that.
The Avaya Fabric Connect solution we deployed at Franciscan Alliance was basically a solution to help them migrate their traditional legacy-based network into sort of a next-generation network to meet their emerging healthcare objectives.
When we first started looking at it, we brought it into our lab. I was very skeptical of what the promises were about it. We started testing it. I started pulling fibers. Everything was true. The resiliency, the failover was super fast. I knew at this point we had to put this in.
One of the things that really stood out to us about the Avaya technology was the fact that they use shortest path bridging, which is an IEEE standard, and it's something that we thought would be a great technology to implement for the future.
Shortest path bridging really benefited us in uptime. Outages are almost non-existent now. With the Fabric Connect solution, we can use multiple links at the same time. In our old solution, we had backup links. Bandwidth sitting idle. We had to steal from that bandwidth to make it better. Backup wasn't even there. So with this new SPB solution, we can use all these links at the same time and provide more stability and more bandwidth at the same time.
The greatest value that Avaya Fabric Connect is providing to us right now is the resiliency of our wide area network. We can experience intermittent outages, carrier outages, and it doesn't have a direct impact on our patients or our hospitals.
The Avaya solution has given me a lot more sleep at night. I get called a lot less. Number two, it's simple. We use all my links, no links are blocked. And number three, it's standards-based. I mean, we can count on it to be there in the future.
We're able to add technologies, features, services, and things to our wide area network that we were unable to do before with the technology that we had in place. If I was asked by another organization about Avaya or deploying Fabric Connect, I would certainly encourage them to take a look at the solution, to evaluate what Avaya brings to the table and what they can offer.
It's been a very successful implementation, and I would have no qualms recommending that they give serious consideration and look at it, because we've been very successful.